So tell us what goes into this Tressa.
All right, so up first, we pan-fried our frozen hash browns, the cubed hash browns. I thawed them first, but you don't have to.
Okay.
Like if you want to throw them in frozen and fry them up in some canola oil, that's fine too.
Well, there was some discussion because I think there's a couple of us that sort of have a different version of this, but this was kind of new for us. So you find that frying them ahead of time just kind of crispens them up a little bit. Is that kind of the purpose of that?
Yeah,
All
everyone
right.
loves a crispy hash brown.
Sure.
Yeah, so what I've started here is my melted butter, and then I'm going to be adding our mushroom soup into here. So we're making our mixture.
Okay.
Yeah. Next up is our sour cream.
Got lots of lovely dairy
Yes.
things to add into this one. So creamy, so wonderful. Okay.
Go. Then,
Look at that. It's already looks so yummy.
then we have our onion. So this is just minced onion.
Delighted to have more Peak of the Market onion as part of this wonderful recipe.
And our cheddar cheese.
There it is.
Going in.
So I guess you could substitute different kinds of cheese in this as well, but this is kind of a classic, right? Like cheddar and hash brown potatoes is just
Just something.
hello.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Then we're going to do a little bit of salt and pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just a bit of that. I thought first thing you were
Yeah,
going to dump
I
that
do
whole
like
thing
pepper.
in there.
Yeah, I do. Imagine just
I do too. Yeah, just dump it all in there. See
you can
what
add it
happens.
after too if you want more. And then we're stirring this up. So I like to stir it all up first before I add my hash browns or the potatoes. Main reason, just because they don't get broken up.
Right.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
okay.
mushed, right?
Okay, makes
Yeah.
sense. And now, could you use the shredded, or is it more like the cubed that's going to hold the whatever?
That's personal preference.
Whatever,
Whatever you
okay.
have in the freezer. You know, it should be kind of one of those like in one bowl and into the casserole dish
Yeah.
kind of meal,
not
right?
if you're thinking about it too much, you're probably thinking more than you need to.
Exactly. All right, so we're ready for our potatoes
Okay.
here.
All right.
Would you like to do it?
Sure.
Okay. Awesome.
There we are.
Great.
Okay.
And
Oops,
then I'm going to
oops,
mix
oops,
those in. So I like to be a little gentle at this part because I don't want to get them all smushed, right? It's
Yeah.
not mashed potato bake. It's just hash. Oh.
Right. Yeah. Awesome. Okay.
Okay. Once we do that, we are going to put it into our casserole dish.
And again, all the different variations that of things that you could put in there, right? Just different, bits of whether it's bacon or ham or whatever it happens to
Oh
be,
yes,
right?
you can
Just
add whatever you
whatever you
have.
like.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. So now I'm going to add this into our casserole dish.
Okay. But oh wait, we have one more step. I'm getting all excited about what's in the oven here already. We've got one more thing to go here.
You ready for brunch?
Yes, I am. Really.
All right, so flatten this out a little bit, spreading it around. And then we are going to be ready for our Parmesan cheese before it goes in the oven. So
Okay.
I will snag that.
There you go.
Thank you.
So maybe while you're doing that, I am going to get the one that's ready to go here. Show you what it looks like, because it is a beaut. Ooh.
There she is.
Tra-la. Magnificent.
Easy, cheesy hash brown
And
bake.
really, and how long did this bake for? Like,
It baked for 1 hour
Okay.
in there, yeah. So just like to get the crisped up edges and making sure that the center's cooked, cheese is melted, and you are golden.
just a little bit of green
Little
onion
green
on top
onion, just to give it
finish
that
it up.
color, yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So thank you, Tressa, for taking care of brunch for us today. We're always so delighted to introduce you to our different Manitoba farm families, and we have a dairy farm family that we're going to introduce to you next. You're on Great Tastes of Manitoba. Stick around.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, filmed on location at Supper Central in Kenaston Commons.